English project. My name is Carolina Gonzalez Diaz and study psychology at the Minute of God University Corporation. The Minute of God University Corporation has the vision of to be the leader in the integral development of the vulnerable population. In this way, by assisting spirit with the gospel, the social touch of the cross, Eudis Spiritu, and the charism of the minute of Dios, its purpose is offer high quality and relevant higher education with a preferential option for those who do not have the opportunity to access is draw an innovative, comprehensive, and flexible model to train excellent human beings, competent professionals, ethically oriented and committed uh, social transformation and sustainable development. To contribute with our commitment and our testimony to the construction of a fraternal, just, reconcilient, and peaceful society. Uniminuto's psychology program is part of the concept that psychology is a scientific discipline and a profession committed to human and social development. In this sense, it is a highly pertinent program in the living conditions of the Colombian people are considered. The profile of the psychologist that it must develop on the training process is complete is as follows: basic knowledge of the professions, the profile of the psychologist that it must develop on the training process is complete is as follows: basic knowledge of the professions, information management skills, skills to search and analyze information for various sources, interpersonal skills, for boarding students the competences of capacity for analysis and synthesis, knowledge of a second language, interpersonal skills, initiative and entrepreneurial spirit, basic computer skills. My main motivation for choosing my career in psychology is to explore human behavior and touch the very important skill I made independent entrepreneurship to dedicate more time to my family. What I love about my training process is the empathy that develop towards other human beings, which is very important for coexistence in peace. Thank you.